Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. Biscuits or cookies are a staple in almost every household, and the best part is that they come in all shapes and sizes. I'm going to show you how to make some really decadent mini cookies both in an oven and on a stove. First, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes if you're using an oven. If you're using a pressure cooker, place a stand in the pressure cooker, cover with a lid without the gasket. Preheat it on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now in a small mixing bowl, take 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and mix this until they are well combined. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and again combine well. Now take 1/4 cup of corn flour in a sieve, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and sift this mixture into the mixing bowl. Mix it until they are well incorporated. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Now add half a tablespoon of milk and mix this to form a dough. You can also use half a tablespoon of beaten eggs instead of milk if you like the texture and flavor of it. Baking is like a stress buster for me. If you feel the same way, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Transfer the dough to a clean kneading surface. Divide the dough into 2 halves and roll it into a long, thin cylindrical shape resembling that of a rope like this. If you love biscuits, then this milk cookie recipe is perfect for you to try. Using a knife or a cutter, separate the dough into 2 cm spears or pockets like this. You know, milk cookies are basically the sugar cookies with milk as the main ingredient in the recipe. Take 1 small piece and roll it into a ball shape between your palms like this. Arrange the rolled balls on the baking sheet with 4 to 5 cm gap between each cookies so that the cookies don't stick to each other while baking. Now insert the baking tray in the oven and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. You know, they are easy to make and perfect to be enjoyed with a cup of milk or tea or coffee. It's time to remove the cookies from the oven. It's baked to perfection. Can you see? It's evident as they are golden at the bottom, crunchy on the top with small little cracks. Now I'll show you how to bake these cookies without an oven. Take some oil in the baking dish and grease the dish with the oil. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Arrange the dough balls on the baking dish. You know, these milk cookies are easy to make with simple and basic ingredients. These milk cookies are rustic and fragrant too. Place the tray in the preheated cooker. Cover the lid. Do not place the whistle and cook for 12 minutes on a low flame, and it should be done. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Store the cookies in an airtight container after it cools down. Serve this mouth-watering beauties to your loved ones and delight their taste buds. Look, crispy on the outside, chewy inside, and these crumbles will melt in your mouth. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.